How to do collection page sections in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to your homepage into your actual site and click onto this edit site option. Click on this edit in order to open the Squarespace editor. Now, once we're in here, we just need to head over and then create in here a collection page section. So you can typically create new ones by adding section options right there. Alternatively, you can also create a new page that will have that. So we can head over here to your website and then head over to pages. And into this page panel, just click onto this plus icon. Then you can choose in here which one you want. So for this case, select a collection type that you wish to use. So for example, let's choose in here this right there. You can choose page layouts as well for this page. In this case, let's choose in here events. And you can choose in here the actual layout of that. And once you have chosen one, they will be added right here into your cart. So you can also rearrange it depending on your liking as well. Now, if you want to link it into your homepage and add it as a collection subsection, what you can do is you can head over and then edit your actual homepage. Click onto this edit. And then from in there, you can add items onto this by actually adding that into your cart. So let's add in here this ad block. And into this, you can head over and search in here for section. You can also add in here specific options that you would want. And you can also add in here a actual button that will be linked to that particular page. Let's add in here a button. Let's click onto this link. And let's input right here our actual collection link. And as you can see, when people click on that, they will be directed to that particular page. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.